If you want to become a nurse and university feels out of reach, this is for you. My name is Lydia and I'm a Diploma of Nursing student here at IHNA. This lab is where nursing became real for me. It's where I've been learning the skills I need as a nurse and where I first understood that what we do here can help save lives. Yes, I do want a better future for myself, but that's not the reason I chose nursing. I want my patients to feel healthy and protected, and we need more young nurses like me to make that happen. I started my journey at becoming an enrolled nurse here at IHNA. If you are serious about becoming a nurse, if you want to do something real for this world, you can also start your journey here at IHNA.